Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the portable prefabricated tiny home, a 40x20ft mobile expandable plastic prefab house that is perfect for a variety of uses including hotels, offices, villas, and more. This compact design offers ample space without overwhelming your surroundings and is crafted from durable steel and lightweight yet sturdy plastic materials. But that's not all. This tiny home is designed to adapt to various needs, whether you're looking to create a unique and cozy guest experience at a hotel, set up a charming retreat in your backyard, or even create efficient storage space for goods in a warehouse. Plus, it's quick and easy to set up and is portable so you can move it wherever you want, and the best part, it comes with a built-in restroom, so you don't have to compromise on comfort. Plus, it's weather-resistant and durable, suitable for various environments and climates. So, if you're in the market for a versatile and convenient tiny home, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your very own portable prefabricated tiny home today. Trust us, you won't regret it.